Cracking the code. Insider secrets revealed for winning big in sports betting. If you're interested in learning how to make money sports betting, you've come to the right place. In this YouTube chapter, we will provide you with valuable tips and strategies that can help increase your chances of winning. Firstly, it's important to start with a solid understanding of the sport you are betting on. Research the teams or athletes involved, their past performance, injury reports, and any other relevant information that could affect the outcome of the game. This knowledge will give you an edge when placing your bets. Next, it's crucial to manage your bankroll wisely. Set a budget for yourself and stick to it. Avoid betting large amounts of money on single bets in hopes of making quick profits. Instead, focus on making smaller, well-informed bets that have a higher chance of success over time. Remember that sports betting should be seen as a long-term investment rather than a get-rich-quick scheme. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. Join 1000s who receive free daily betting tips from our team of professional tipsters with the link in the description.